Hey guys, homesteading cheaper by the dozen. Look, the dam was holding quite well, and the leak has gotten much worse. Look at how low. The first of this week it was up to the top of the dam. Now it's way on down there. There's my island exposed though. It's kind of nice. Today we bought some bentonite clay, or some bentonite gel. I'm not really sure what you're supposed to call it, but we're gonna try to broadcast some out. Here's where the leak area is, right in here, and we're gonna try to broadcast some out and put it in here and see if we can get this stopped up. See, it's just rolling on through there. There's a bunch of water going through there. Everything else is stopped though. It's all dry, all on the bank, and haven't been able to seed anything in yet or finish final grade or anything while we're waiting on getting these leaks stopped up. So hopefully this bentonite clay is gonna do the trick. The main thing's coming out right there, it looks like, but we'll go down in here and dump a bunch of this stuff in, and I'll take another video in a day or two and see how it looks and how it's going to turn out. Alright, let's unload the bentonite.
Hi guys, today we're unloading some of this gray powder stuff and we're putting it down here and dumping it in the pond. Hey, Dad doing? Hey Dad, what does that make it do?
Hopefully it'll seal the pond up.
Hopefully it'll seal the pond up. That's what he gets. And right now,
I don't want you doing that. I don't want you breathing that.
okay. We're doing.
Sit it down there.
Okay, just keep bringing it. We have 6 bags of the black powder stuff.
Not black, it's white.
White powder stuff. And he's dumping it in the pond. Hopefully he'll fill it up where we'll have water to swim in. In the summer, we're going to be swimming in this almost all the time with Dad and Mom. With Daddy and Mommy here. And some of us will probably learn how to swim without life jackets. And this person right here doesn't really know how to swim. Hello, Daddy. Yeah. He's trying not to breathe it in. This one busted open.
Move back a little bit so this isn't blowing dust on you.
This one busted open whenever we were trying to get it out of Dad's big truck. He got his semi. One of them busted open. Because you look in the back of it and you know how it's really big. We tried to, like get it out. But that thing is really deep. And it's really far if you're in it. If you look at it from here, it's really far. Raven's learning how to drive. Well, we've been practicing today. Over here, we have the pond. And if we go across the dam, we have some of this like sleeping sand. But right now, yeah, it's actually over there. I can get far enough. Look at the island over there. Daddy still doing that. But hope you know if you're doing this, do not breathe it in. More dust stuff. Daddy, what is this stuff called?
Bentonite.
What?
Bentonite.
Bentonite. Called bentonite. Like powder stuff. We had to load it in the truck over there from the... Daddy, what is your big thing called? What is your big truck thing called?
Dump truck.
From Daddy's dump truck. They had to get him all the way out from Daddy's dump truck. Ready. Powder. He's moving it along the way and going all around. This stuff costed $12 for a bag, Dad. You got it all over your food.
Yep.
You're white now, like I was.
Well, that's it. I'm gonna throw, you can hear it bubbling and kind of activating, and it's turning white on out through there, so hopefully that means it's sucking it down through the hole. I'm gonna leave the last 2 bags and we'll leave them and wait and see how this settles out, and then we may figure out the spots that more needs to be dumped in. But we're gonna try it out. Yeah, you can see it all now, can't you?
Yeah.
Just the top of it. So we're like 4 foot lower than what we normally are, and that's not cool. Put too much work into the dam to not have it filled to the brim. Still not a loss. I mean, we're still got way more water in pond than what we had in the beginning, but ideally it'd be nice to seal the dam off and get this thing up and running again.
Daddy, the first time we were in the pond, it was up to here.
Yep, it was up to the top.
It was.
Like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up or some comments, and have a good day.